Hi guys! Today I'm packing an order for my small business. This isn't actually a small business, but my friend asked me to make her some bookmarks, so I thought I'd turn it into a little video. Enjoy! Okay, so this person has ordered a white colored crochet bookmark, multicolored bookmark, a pink multicolored bookmark, and that's the order ID. So here's the pink colored bookmark. Here's the white colored bookmark. And here's the multicolor. It's supposed to be multicolor, but it came out yellow. All right, now let's package it. And now we'll tape it shut. And I'll just grab some scissors. To cut that piece of tape off. And now we'll put it into our big bubble mailer. Throw in some freebie stickers. And then I'll grab this sticker, the thank you sticker. And oh wait, we almost forgot to put in the order form. I'll fold that up and keep it in there. Almost forgot to put this in. This is very important. And then we'll seal it. And finally, we'll tape on the shipping label. Grab some tape. I'm going to do this off of camera because it has my friend's personal information. Grab some more tape. And the shipping label is on the back. And now we'll send this off in the mail. Thanks for watching.